In this problem, they tell us that between 3% up to 5% of the units will be defective. Now, we need to change these to decimals before we can do any math with them. So, to go from percent to decimal, you move the decimal 2 places to the left. So this is 0.003 up to 0.005. That's in decimal form. And they're going to refund the full price of $2,500. We just need to figure out how many units we believe will be defective and then multiply it by 2,500. So we have a total of 20,000 units. So on the lower end, if you take 20,000 and you multiply that by 0.003, that's going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. And we need to move our decimal over 3 places, because what you do is you move your decimal back to the right. So 1, 2, 3. So that's going to give you 60 units. So we know the lower end is going to be 60 units. So let's go ahead and figure out if you have 60 units and each one is going to be $2,500. So 60 times 2,500. Notice I put the 2,500 on the bottom to bring those zeros down. Then 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So that's $150,000. So your answer is going to be D. Who cares about the upper limit? We already know the lower limit. And there's only one of these that has a lower limit of $150,000, so we can stop. I will say that if you took 0.3%, or if you took 0.003 and multiplied it, if you took 0.005 and multiplied it by 20,000, that would give you the number of units. And then you'd multiply that by 2,500 to figure out the dollar value, and it would give you $250,000. But you don't need to do that. We're just going to save our time.